My name is Xi Jinping. I am 71 years old. I was born in Beijing in 1953. I serve as President of China. I work with global leaders. My role is very important. I lead the nation of China. But life was not always like this. My father worked in government. My mother cared for our home. I grew up in Beijing. Family guided my first steps. My beginnings were very simple. Childhood was full of challenges. Family shaped who I became. Hardship taught me strength. China changed quickly. Times were often difficult. I learned patience early. Hope stayed in my heart. I studied and worked hard. Teachers inspired my growth. Friends gave me support. Education became my path. This is only the beginning. Stories from my path. Life shaped my future. Welcome to my story. I was born in Beijing. My family worked in politics. Father served the revolution early. Mother cared for us daily. I had brothers and sisters. We shared food and stories. Childhood was strict and modest. Rules guided every small step. Father was often away. His work demanded long hours. I missed him many times. Patience became part of me. Mother taught respect and honesty. She valued discipline and work. Her words shaped my thoughts. I carried them through life. China faced difficult years. The people suffered and struggled. I saw hunger and fear. It marked my young memory. Siblings gave me friendship. We laughed despite hard times. Small joys kept us hopeful. Love stayed strong between us. Neighbors shared their food. We helped each other survive. Community meant strength and hope. Together, we endured storms. I listened to family stories. They told of sacrifice before. History lived in our home. It gave me quiet pride. Early life was not easy, but family gave me strength. Those years shaped my future. My journey had just begun. I went to local school. Books became my daily friends. Teachers taught me many lessons. I liked learning new things. Math and history fascinated me. I asked many questions daily. Sometimes I made mistakes, but I always tried again. I joined school activities. We played sports after classes. Friendship grew with teammates. Teamwork taught me early lessons. Teachers noticed my hard work. They gave advice often. I listened and learned carefully. Respect for guidance grew inside. Reading opened wider worlds. Stories of leaders inspired me. I dreamed of serving others. Ambitions grew quietly each day. I faced challenges sometimes. Exams felt very difficult. I stayed patient and focused. Persistence became part of me. I helped classmates when needed. We shared notes and ideas. Friendship and trust deepened. I learned to lead kindly. Education shaped my future. It built confidence slowly. Small victories felt very proud. I knew I could achieve. Youth taught me resilience. Hard work always matters. Every lesson shaped my path. I prepared for life ahead. I joined local government. Work taught me skills. I met senior leaders. I learned responsibility. I worked on projects. Projects helped communities. Citizens thanked our efforts. I felt proud. I joined the Communist Party. Beliefs guided my actions. I followed party rules. Discipline shaped my life. I attended party meetings. I listened to leaders. Ideas were discussed openly. I learned strategy. I faced many challenges. Some plans failed. I accepted mistakes. I tried again. I gained trust slowly. Leaders saw my dedication. Opportunities opened gradually. I worked daily. I traveled to provinces. I met local citizens. I listened carefully. I observed daily. I built administration skills. Work required planning. Success felt rewarding. Challenges taught humility. Early career built foundations. Hard work shaped future. Discipline guided progress. I prepared ahead. I worked in villages. Life was very simple. People faced daily struggles. I listened carefully. Farms needed support. Crops failed many times. Families lived with stress. I saw hardship. I planned new programs. Water systems were built. Roads connected small towns. Change slowly arrived. I spoke with farmers. They shared real problems. I noted their needs. I searched solutions. Work required patience. Progress was very slow. Some projects succeeded, others failed completely. I gained trust gradually. Villagers saw my efforts. Respect grew with time. Confidence was earned. I learned leadership skills. Meetings tested my discipline. Decisions carried big weight. I stayed focused. Rural work shaped me. Experience taught deep lessons. Challenges built strong character. I grew stronger. Leadership started small. Villages became my school. Work prepared my journey. Future paths opened. I moved to provinces. New roles brought responsibility. Bigger teams followed me. Work grew larger. Cities needed strong leadership. I planned urban projects. Housing and jobs improved. Progress inspired people. Corruption was a problem. I fought against dishonesty. Strict rules were applied. Trust slowly returned. I visited factories often. Workers shared their struggles. I listened with care. Solutions were created. Reputation began to grow. People noticed discipline. They valued my consistency. Respect built influence. Meetings tested my patience. Arguments filled long discussions. I defended firm principles. Decisions shaped progress. National leaders observed me. Reports praised my results. Higher positions were offered. Opportunities kept coming. Each role brought pressure. I stayed calm always. Focus guided my choices. Dedication earned recognition. Rise was not sudden. Step by step achieved. Hard work proved strength. Future opened wider. Responsibilities grew larger quickly. I joined central meetings. Decisions shaped the nation. Voices demanded stability. I became vice president. New duties filled my days. Foreign trips increased often. China's role expanded. Party trusted my leadership. I was named General Secretary. That position changed everything. New era had begun. Challenges were very serious. Economy needed strong direction. Jobs required better support. Growth became priority. Military reforms were important. Strength ensured national safety. Training became more modern. Security was protected. Anti-corruption campaigns started. Discipline rules were strict. Many leaders faced justice. Trust in government rose. Foreign leaders visited China. Talks focused on trade. Partnerships were discussed carefully. Cooperation brought progress. Public watched my actions. Some praised my discipline, others questioned my policies. Leadership faced pressure. These roles defined destiny. Vice President, General Secretary, National Leader of China. Future path was set. I became President of China. A new era began. Great tasks awaited me. Nation looked for direction. Domestic reforms were needed. Poverty reduction became priority. Millions left poor life. Hope spread in villages. Cities grew very fast. Infrastructure changed daily life. High-speed trains expanded everywhere. Modernization touched families. Education was improved strongly. Technology received more support. Innovation pushed industries forward. Progress became visible. International ties expanded quickly. China joined global talks. Trade routes were created. Partnerships crossed continents. The Belt and Road. Big project for world. New connections were built. China gained influence. Military reforms continued strongly. Defense became more modern. Forces trained for readiness. Borders stayed secure. Leadership faced challenges daily. Criticism came from abroad. Policies brought debate inside. Balance was difficult. Presidency marked achievements. Domestic growth was clear. International role expanded. Future awaited new goals. China has changed over decades. Life is easier than before. People enjoy more opportunities. Yet freedom still faces limits. I see growth in cities. Technology spreads quickly. Internet opens many doors. But some sites are blocked. Economic progress helps people. Jobs increase. Businesses grow. Still, rights are restricted. Control shapes daily life. Citizens cannot speak freely. Censorship remains very strong. Criticism is often punished. I navigate these realities. Party rules guide decisions. Policies affect millions daily. Balance is always necessary. Limits are part of governance. Social tensions appear often. I respond carefully to challenges. Stability is a priority. Freedom has clear boundaries. History teaches important lessons. Struggles of past shape present. Progress comes with control. Change is gradual, not complete. I meet leaders frequently. We discuss policies and growth. Order and liberty must balance. Citizens' voices are constrained. China continues to evolve. Opportunities increase for many. Yet power remains centralized. Yes, there are still limited freedoms. My journey shaped China. Years of service passed. Decisions left strong marks. History will judge later. Legacy grew with reforms. Poverty reduced in numbers. Cities modernized quickly. Families found new hope. Vision reached the future. Dream of strong nation. Unity guided every step. Confidence built progress. Global role expanded greatly. China joined world stage. Partnerships shaped new era. Influence spread across continents. Technology became key driver. Innovation shaped next generation. Science advanced industries fast. Dreams turned into progress. Young people carried hope. Education gave them tools. Hard work shaped paths. Future leaders would rise. Challenges still remained clear. Climate, economy, and peace. Solutions required wisdom. Patience became essential. Vision looked far ahead. Strong, united, modern China. Balance with the world. Future held big tasks. Legacy and vision combined. Past shaped the present. Future awaited new builders. The journey continued forward. What was your favorite part? Which part of Xi Jinping's story teaches you most? How will you use his story in your life? Tell us in the comments. We want to hear from you. If you like this video, please like and share it. Subscribe for more easy English stories. Thank you for watching. We're happy to help you learn. Remember this always. Stay strong through every challenge.